What is the basic difference between Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha? Gram Panchayat is an elected body, while Gram Sabha is a meeting of all the villagers. Gram Panchayat is a meeting of all the villagers, while Gram Sabha is an elected body. Gram Panchayat is responsible for development, while Gram Sabha is responsible for law and order. Gram Panchayat is responsible for law and order, while Gram Sabha is responsible for development. The correct answer is A. Gram Panchayat is an elected body, while Gram Sabha is a meeting of all the villagers. The fundamental difference between a Gram Panchayat and a Gram Sabha lies in their composition and functions. Gram Panchayat. This is the elected governing body of a village. It comprises elected representatives from different wards of the village. The Gram Panchayat is responsible for the overall development and administration of the village, including infrastructure, sanitation, education, and healthcare. Gram Sabha. This is a meeting of all the adult residents of a village. It is a forum for the villagers to discuss and decide on matters related to their village. The Gram Sabha has the power to approve the Gram Panchayat's budget, monitor its activities, and hold it accountable. In essence, the Gram Panchayat is the executive body, while the Gram Sabha is the legislative body at the village level. The Gram Sabha provides a platform for citizen participation in village